because I added a lamp or a lamp. I'm not Aladdin. But then again, I am wearing my Normal People Scare Me shirt, so funky is good today. Well, hello my lovely nestlings and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki, I'm 44, from the Netherlands, hence the accent. And I thought, let's play with some older palettes, so I pulled out my two Colourpop ones. Yesterday I actually played with the It's My Pleasure palette. I didn't film it, I just played with it off camera. And today I wanted to do something pinky and green, so I grabbed these two. If you want to know how I created this look, you just have to keep on watching. Yeah, I think that is it. Oh yeah, and yeah, it's nice weather. I wanted to go blonde again. Technically it's a little bit too short still. However, if it gets any longer in my own color, I have kind of a gray patch here. And when my hair gets a little longer, it's like I have no hair there. I don't like that. So hence the fact that I thought, let's bleach it now and then we will go from there. So yeah, earrings I also made, new ones. So I think it is all very, very fun, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to stop rambling. Just grab a drink, grab a snack, put your feet up, because here comes how I created this very pretty, cutesy, summery look. Yeah, eyebrows are kind of done. Let's just, you know, start with eyeshadow primer. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use my favorite one, the KIKO Milano one in neutral. I am going to start with the Ooh La La. I think I'm going to start with the color Sandbar. And I haven't set the base because I usually do not. Oh yeah, I've been fiddling around with my camera settings a little because I added a lamp or a lamp. I'm not Aladdin. I added a light extra because I felt like, I don't know, the ambient lighting was a little bit less. I don't really know how to explain. Basically, I just wanted to add a light. That's it. And I did, but now that I kind of add a little bit of light, which is a softbox, which is a little bit different than the lighting setup that I had, I kind of need to play around with the colors in my camera, so I kind of hope that the colors are pretty true to how they are and I'm not too yellow like I was a few videos back. Oh no, someone's coming in the room.
These days you don't have to say someone, these days you just know who it is.
Yeah, there's only one who is coming into the room. Well, hello honey.
I just exercised.
Oh.
I'm very sweaty.
Oh no.
Yes.
Now what?
I have a sweaty anus.
Oh, again?
Yes. Oh. A very sweaty one, in fact.
Well, then go shower.
Yeah, I will. Tomorrow I'll be running with you guys.
Yes, I know. Can you keep up, you think?
Can you keep up, you think?
Probably not.
I don't know. I haven't run in a long ass time.
I'm not that quick, but it does not matter.
Me neither anymore.
And maybe if you like it, we can go running together sometimes.
Yeah.
If your daddy needs to do something else.
Dat was wel de bedoeling, ja. Eigenlijk.
Okay. Okay. Next color is going to be the color Caddy. Where is it? There. Just going to deepen out the outer corner, deepen up the outer corner and the crease. I'm actually putting the brush this way in my eye, so that it can kind of really get into the socket and give a nice wash of color without it being too high. Okay, back to the first brush. I'm actually dipping into the color Caddy with this brush, just to add a little bit of an extra nice gradient without having to blend a lot. Okay. Grabbing a pencil brush in the color Caddy, Now I'm just really darkening up the outer corner. I think I could even use the color Charmed from the... Let's try. So I'm going to go to the Just My Luck for the color called Charmed. Let's see if this will kind of work. Maybe it will turn all funky, I don't know. But then again, I am wearing my Normal People Scare Me shirt, so funky is good today. This actually works very nicely. So I'm just creating a darker line with the tip of the pencil brush. Let's blend it a bit. Back to the Ooh La La for Sandbar. I'm going to blend out the darker color with that a bit. Okay, let's get my NYX glitter primer. Let's start with the color called Opulent. Okay, blending brush. Now I want to add something funky. So let me grab a tiny flat brush. And I still have a little bit of eyeshadow primer there. And then we're going to the Just My Luck palette for the color called Mary Jane. It's going to go in the inner corner. I thought it would be more green, so that's kind of unfortunate. I have a little bit of the pinky on my brush still. And then the other side is going to go into Mary Jane. That's what she said, yes. Yeah, it is cute, but it's not really what I had in mind though. Kind of wanted it a little bit more green. Let's go to the color called Big Bangs. That's a bit better. Now back to the color Mary Jane. Now we are getting what I wanted. Back to the color called Opulent. A little bit of Mary Jane again. That's better. So for eye pencil, I'm grabbing a green pencil from AliExpress from the brand by Davis. Let's finish off the eyes. For eyeliner, the Revolution Renaissance Flick in Black. For mascara, the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes. For falsies, the So So Glam Lash Collection in Style Kylie. For lips, Essence Electric Vibes eyeliner in No Regrets. And the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Pink Macaroon. Here is the completed look. Everything I have on my face will be listed down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay sensible, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.